Talk about how can you fix this problem on your Photoroom app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. Indeed, you're looking for photo roam app. You click here on search, then here add photo roam app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down here, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then you search here for photo roadmap. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.